Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. And today we have got a super useful topic to discuss. And the topic is how to stop auto updates on the Google Play Store. If you are tired of your apps updating automatically and want to take control, and this video is for you. Open the Google Play Store in your device. Tap on the profile icon in the top left corner. Scroll down and select Settings. Now tap on Network Preferences. And you will see three options, and just choose Don't Auto Update Apps. And that's it. You have successfully disabled auto updates on the Play Store.